Before starting this video, make sure to hit the red subscribe button on our channel and also press the bell icon beside it as to get quick notifications of our new uploads.
What's up guys, Technology here, and today we are here with this box. So this is a package which has been sent from Zhiyun, a company who makes gimbals or stabilizers for cameras. So this is basically the Smooth Q 3-axis smartphone stabilizer. As you can see here, this is the product. So with that being said, let's get into the unboxing of the Smooth Q gimbal.
So after unboxing this, we get the gimbal inside the box, which is wrapped in this plastic cover. We get this manual book, the micro USB cable for charging the gimbal, and the strap for the gimbal box if at some point of time you want to carry it over your shoulders. Now the box looks dope because of this shiny metallic body. Opening it up, we get the gimbal, and our first impression by holding the gimbal is good. Not great, not bad, but it's good. The build quality is okay, taking into consideration the price range. We get the charging port on the left and a USB type A at the bottom if you want to charge your smartphone, making this gimbal a power bank. It has also got a tripod mount at the bottom of the gimbal.
Okay guys, now let's check out how we can set up this particular gimbal with our smartphone. So in order to set up the gimbal to the smartphone, first let us bring out the gimbal. So this gimbal hasn't yet calibrated. So what we need to do in order to fix our smartphone inside of the gimbal, just slide your smartphone like this, push it downwards so that it fits inside the compartment. So once done, over here you'll get a knob. So as you can see, this screw over here, so we just need to loosen this up and we need to balance this. So as you can see, it is not yet balanced, so we need to balance this. So in order to balance this, you need to just loosen up the screw over here and then pull this handle outwards and it will balance the phone. So depending on the weight of your smartphone, you need to adjust the slider over here. Tighten up the screw, and once it's done, now let's power on the gimbal with the button over here, the red button, and once we power it on, it will get calibrated. Now it is balanced, so now we can use the gimbal as we want.
Now talking about the modes, it basically has got 4 modes which we can switch by pressing the mode button. First, after setting up the gimbal, it automatically goes into the follow mode. Now in this mode, if we rotate the bottom or the handle of the gimbal, the camera follows our movement, and with the joystick you can control the y-axis of the camera. Next is the lock mode, where the camera will get locked at the position where you want to, and in this mode we can control the horizontal as well as the vertical movements with the joystick on the gimbal. By double tapping the mode button, it gets into the pan and tilt mode, which is basically same as the follow mode, but in this mode the joystick lets you tilt your smartphone in the direction you want. And if you're a vlogger, then there is another mode which I would like to call a vlog mode. Simply from the pan and tilt mode, triple tap the mode button and the camera rotates towards you, letting you use the back camera of your smartphone for vlogging. If you like face tracking while vlogging, then you can also try out their Zhiyun Play app, which has got this face or subject tracking option, which works pretty decent, but the tracking is a bit slow if you move the subject too fast. Anyways, without further ado, now let's roll the comparison clip for which you all have been waiting for. So guys, this is the clip which is shot with Galaxy S8 without the gimbal. We are simply walking in the park and we can see some shakiness while we are moving. The Galaxy S8 has got a video stabilization option, but for this test we had disabled it, and this is the raw footage without any type of stabilization and stuff. Now guys, this is the same clip which has been shot with Galaxy S8 with the gimbal. Now we can see a great stabilized footage which is very much usable, and with some cool filters any shot will look cinematic. So if you like making videos with your smartphone, or if you're a smartphone vlogger, then definitely get this gimbal, as comparing this with the DJI Osmo Mobile, this is much cheaper, as DJI cost around $200 and the Smooth Q cost only $139, which is around 9,000 Indian rupees. And moreover, the best part of this gimbal is the battery life, as it has got a 26,650 mAh non-removable battery, which promises to give you a whole day, surprisingly 12 hours of shooting with this gimbal, which is fantastic. So I highly recommend you guys having one of this if you like making videos with your smartphone. Buying links of the Zhiyun Smooth Q gimbal is down there in the description. They also have got some other kinds of gimbal even for your DSLR. So do check out the description for the direct links. So thanks to Zhiyun for sending us this review unit. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to hit the like button down below, and also do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.